Hello and good morning. This is Traders Club 24. My name is Christian. Welcome to Monday, the 13th of February, and to our first DAX trade here in this week. So as always, we are in the FTSE or UK 100 or GBR 100, whatever your broker is going to call it. And I'm going to switch my chart to the M1. So every candle shows you a time frame of 1 minute. And we can see, first of all, that we are still trading at the same range of Friday's close. And we do have a box of a bit less than 6 points here in the FTSE, which is relatively small for our trading, and it's on the very lower side of the level if you're going to do that trade. Okay, so let's bring up the SwissBox helper here into the chart. And we are going to place our lines, the green pending buy order and red the sell pending order, which I'm going to place on top and on the bottom of the box here. So that's a total range of 6 points, fair enough. And second, we are going to adjust our risk for the first position, which is 0.10%. We need to round it up. 0.10, and if you're going to have that value here in the field for the risk of the first position, we are going to use the same amount for our take profit here in this field as well, which means that we are working with a chance risk ratio of 1:1. All right, so that's done. I'm going to activate our orders, and I'll be back in approximately 5 minutes with the market opening at 9 a.m. CET. All right, 9 a.m. and we are along with our first trade. You can see here in the chart the blue line indicates our take profit, and so let's wait and see for the impulse to reach that blue line. Alright, so it's 17 minutes past 9 and we are still in our first trade. I'm trading still within our usual box range of the first hour, and so far the market has recovered. We were not able to get out of the trade with the first impulse, as a lot of our club members did, trading the DAX, and so my colleague Carlos. So still in the trade, and so I'll be back with some more information later on today. So a couple minutes after 10 a.m. and we are now in our second trade. So you can see here that the price level has triggered our pending sell order, the red line, and our take profit is now on the short side at a level of 7,255 points. Hi, it's 2 p.m. Quick update from my side here after the lunch break. So we are meanwhile in our third trade, which is still all right, and we are currently long with our take profit at a price level of around 7,228 points ish. So I'm not going to allow this trade to open a fourth position. So once I'm seeing a turnover, a change of direction here in the chart, and it looks like if the FTSE is going to break out, or if it's going to touch the lower bound of our box here at this price level, I'm going to press the hedge button, and we're going to freeze our position, and then I'm going to reopen the hedge tomorrow. Right, so for those of you who are familiar with this kind of strategy, so that's a normal situation, and the idea behind this is that we cannot allow this trade because we don't have enough margin on our account or on any account to play the doubling game continuously. So according to our calculation, with my account size, I can do a 8 trade, and then that's the point of time when there's not enough margin to reopen the trade again for a 9th one. Hence, and the market looks very shaky today, not very much like the DAX, who has a nice uptrend so far this morning. And I'm going to hedge, and we are going to unlock that hedge today. But who knows, maybe we will go straight up and will trigger our take profit on the long side. So it's 8 minutes past 3 p.m. and we are looking to get out of our trade. Yeah, just 1-2 points are needed to trigger the blue line, and that's it for today. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. So we've crossed the line and that's it. So yeah, out of the market, and so I've drawn in the trades. Here you can see our first trade, second trade and third trade all got triggered here at our take profit, providing us with a net gain of 0.10% on our overall account balance. So good trade, even though it took a bit longer than usual. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.